the best fix your door in the Philippines. It's best to buy these on Lazada. It's called PVC Plastic Door Pads Protector Door Knob Hole Repair. And you can fix your door in the Philippines, 3 different colors, and you can fix your door around these plastic doorknobs in the Philippines. It's always broken. You can fix it. This bathroom is dirty, but you can see I already fixed it. And so this is what you can do in the Philippines. Fix your doorknobs. And that's what you can do. It's a very easy fix. Remember that outside is always the key and the inside is no key. And this is how you fix your doorknobs in the Philippines, in Metro Manila. Thank you for watching. This is November 15th, 2025.